Today, we are going to clean the filter of a Samsung washing machine. The first thing we do is to open the small door on the front of the washing machine, behind which there will be a small rubber hose with a plug at the end. With this, we will drain the excess water in the washing machine to make sure it doesn't spill out from the filter. We will need a small container, preferably as shallow as possible. Meanwhile, we remove the door to make the task easier. While it's not necessary, it certainly helps us work better. We pull the plug from the end of the rubber hose and drain the water from our machine. Even if you are not intending to use your washing machine for a while, you should still perform this operation because there's always some water left inside. This water is mostly fabric softener, and it can stink and cause unpleasant odors in your washing machine. Always make sure you don't leave any water in it before unscrewing the filter. It will leak out at the large filter housing and flow all the way down the bottom of the machine. If it doesn't fit in a bowl, empty it out and continue. What's also important is that the end of the hose is deeper than where it comes out of the washing machine, or else not all the water will drain out. Once you've done this, plug the stopper back into the end of the hose, put it back where it was, and you can unscrew the filter. Depending on how often you wash, it's worth doing this once a month at least to check it out. This was cleaned about a month ago. I've got a toothbrush ready for it. This is what they recommend in the manual. I rinse off the majority of it first, and then you can clean the rest off with the toothbrush. It's worth having a look inside. There might be surprises. When that's done, we can put it back. With this washing machine, there's only one way to put it back in the right position. Older washing machines weren't necessarily like this. What you should watch for is to pull it all the way in until it clicks. Then put the door back on and you're all done.